Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Grumpy got a package. Mr. Bazzy done sent Grumpy a package here. I know about some of it, but I don't know about all of it. So let's get this open. I haven't opened anything yet. I've left it sealed up and we're waiting for the video. My box is a mess too, y'all. So we always know that. A messy box is a working box, I say. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. That's a piece of holly. That is too cool right there. Oh goodness, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, there's some cool pieces of wood in here, yo. On the floor like soft rain, lay the hard maple. Also, grumpy just locked in the grain. Knots look wild like maps on my brain. Text from Bazzy, oh, you get that. That is too cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh goodness, look at that. This hit harder than the last. If the world gets loud, I duck this way. Little backyard postmark holiday. Color to it right there. I just wave, might be aliens, might be men. Look at that. That's some tight green. Look at all that green. That's just too cool right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's a pretty cool piece too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is just all too cool. That's all too cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hold on just a minute. Alright, we're back, we're back, we're back. I had to pause that real quick. That is some cool looking wood right there. Dents too, goodness gracious. Hey, Mr. Bazzy, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I don't know what all that is, but that's got some weight to it, sir. This is so cool right here. Hard maple, holly. I can't pronounce that. I don't know how to say that. Can't see it good either. I got my glasses. Oh, that is just too cool. That is a heavy. Dude, that's a dense little piece of wood. Oh man. I'll tell you right now, those are gonna have rings on them. Thank you so much. What do we got here? You know what? I'll have to wait. Check that out, sir. Oh my goodness. Oh dude. That is too cool. Oh, okay, it's banded up on there. Oh, check him out. Yes, sir. Slow burning classics. Nice. Single wides. There you go. That's perfect. That is too cool. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Let me get this off of here. Oh, some more ammo. And some bands. Oh, that's what I need is some bands. That is too cool. That is too cool. There you
go, right there. Oh, look out. Let me show y'all something. I told you that I've been taking, thank you so much for this, Bazzy. Thank you so much, dude. You just don't know. But I've repaired these bands on this slingshot. I got this one from you, right? And yeah, I think I had the bands that was on it and then 2 extra. Well, I haven't doctored this set up yet, but I just had this one put on there and was shooting today and broke it today. It was tore. I've been shooting it probably 15, 20 times with about half of it, with it tore about halfway through. But I was messing with it today and it finally tore on me. So I was getting ready, because what I do, because this is the first time that it's torn up, is I'll get the bands side by side and I'll clip the other band equal to this one. And then I go back through and I cut that off of there, and then I rewrap that pouch onto this set of bands. I'll get me some more life out of that set. But I haven't reworked this one yet. This is the first time it's broke. But yeah, that broke on me today. So that's just crazy that this showed up when that one gave out. That is just too cool. Let's see. I've been shooting, y'all. Here's my ammo I got right here. This video is gonna be a little long, but we don't care. That's the little bit of clay I got. I went through all the clay you sent me that first go around, and I ordered all that. That's a little bit smaller than this. I don't know what size that is, but I'm gonna put the clay in there. Oh goodness. Look out. We're gonna get some crochets. I got some squirrels in the backyard. It's getting cold. I think it's better to get a squirrel when it's cold. Oh, check out this now. Alright, this is wrapping material. Okay, let's move the ammo out of the way. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. Let's move that back out of the way. That is cool. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Ooh, these are some heavy bands. These bands is way. Ooh, don't fall. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These out here gonna make it go thump. Oh yeah, those are way heavier. That's gonna, oh my goodness. Dude. Tiny little things make a sky crack open. Sling Mail, yeah, got me lit like wow, I love those. That's some thick leather. Awesome. Aliens fly by like sub, my man. Wave at the window, then they dip and vanish. Sling mail, life in a sandwich. Goodies in a box in my brain. Oh my goodness. Oh my dude, this is so flipping cool. Yeah. Shavings on the floor like soft rain. Oh man, thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. I can't say thank you enough. I truly mean it. I'm not just blindly saying thank you. You just don't know. I'm grinning from ear to ear right now. My damn cheeks is hurting. I'm grinning so damn hard. Okay, I was gonna say, what is that? Okay, that's to hang it. Oh hell yeah, that is cool. Hang it right there, and then we got no thing. Nice. Oh my god. We're fixing to shoot at that tomorrow. I got a 55-gallon drum, plastic barrel in the backyard that I got my little my empty bud bucket hanging up in as a target. I will put this in there as well. And then this stretched across, I can hook a couple of pieces onto that one. Ah, that's too cool right there. I like that. Dude, that is just awesome. I like the way you rigged that in there with the little hooks. That's pretty nifty. I like that. That's pretty cool, and I can fix that. I see how you did that. If that breaks on me, I can repair that too. That's awesome. I like that. That's pretty cool right there. Dude, thank you so damn much. Y'all gotta go check out Bazzy's channel. That man is just awesome. This stuff is just too flipping cool. This is just, yeah, this is awesome. And then I know all these pieces here are to do the wraps, to wrap all the bands with. Oh, that's just too cool, y'all. Man, I don't know which one I'm just as excited over the slingshot stuff as the wood. That wood's gonna be flipping awesome. This piece right here, oh my goodness, that piece, that reminds me of that bokeh that Mr. Johnny sent me. I love that color. I can't wait to turn that. I bet that's gonna be the first piece I turn right there. That is so cool. That is just flipping awesome. Yes, sir. I love that right there. Yes, sir. We know I do. That's too cool. Yo, I greatly appreciate this, Bazzy. I know this is gonna be a long video. I've just been babbling and been it all. I'll probably try to edit it down, but I'm so grateful. I've found everybody in this community. This community is so flippin' diverse. We have so many different people that do so many different things. I love it. You cannot turn YouTube on and be bored, you know. You can watch woodworking, you can watch slingshots, you can watch fishing, you can watch mechanicking, you can watch resin work. This community is just so flippin' diverse. It is just awesome. And it's full of so many awesome flipping people. I'm so blessed that I found the community. Y'all don't know. And I love all the support. And Bazzy, you sending me this wood and then that crab apple and stuff, dude. You don't have to do this stuff and you do it anyway. Dude, that touches my heart so much. That makes Grumpy so happy to know that there's still some true people out there that care for people as well. You know, that's too cool. And it's not just Bazzy. There's so many awesome people in this community. I've had so many people reaching out to me, sending me emails and stuff, and I want to thank each and every one of y'all. I greatly appreciate all the support right now. Y'all just don't know. But Bazzy, I thank you so much. I'm gonna leave a link to Bazzy's channel in my description, y'all need to go check that man's channel out and show him some love. Tell him Grumpy sent you. If y'all ain't already subscribed to him, I think a lot of the people that associate in my channels we're all connected with each other. I do believe that's what's awesome is we all show each other that support. It's just too cool. But I babbled enough. Bazzy, thank you so much, sir. I greatly appreciate this, and I'm gonna spin some pretty sticks. I'm gonna dedicate that. That's gonna be a pin, and that's gonna be a roach clip. And if we play our cards right, we'll get a dab spoon out of it. We'll make that all three of these pieces a matching set. Especially this one right here. That's just beautiful. I love that. But thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great night, and go check out Bazzy's channel, everybody. And remember, stay awesome, stay laid back, and most important, it's my job to be grumpy, everybody. God bless, stay safe. Thank you.